A federal watchdog calls on Treasury to make changes to the hardest hit fund program, and the largest bank holding companies are bracing for the release of their Q2 earnings statement next week, ahead on Wednesday's news wrap. The head of the Troubled Asset Relief Program recently called on the U.S. Treasury Department to reform its Blight Elimination program, claiming the program operates without the proper safeguards to prevent waste, fraud, and abuse. SIGTARP's response indicated that Treasury's $622 million hardest hit fund Blight Elimination program does not require full and open competition for blight contracts and does not have a way to ensure that federal money is used only, quote, for necessary and reasonable costs. In response to the SIGTARP audit, McArdle, Deputy Assistant Secretary for Financial Stability at the Treasury, said HHF has helped eliminate nearly 9,300 blighted properties, thereby increasing neighborhood values almost immediately. McArdle also said the SIGTARP's audit unfairly compares HHF to non-TARP programs, failing to take into account the unique nature of the HFF program. For the most part, the largest U.S. bank holding companies suffered through a dismal first quarter, as the profits of nearly every one of them took a hit compared with the first quarter of 2015. In slightly more than a week, the mortgage industry will find out if the banks were able to bounce back in Q2, starting with the release of JP Morgan's Chase second quarter earnings statements on the morning of Thursday, July 14th. You can check out these stories and all the latest happenings in the industry right here on our site. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you again on Thursday. Until then, stay with DSNews.com for all of your most relevant default servicing news.